When using your Denali Aire Quick Connect Mini-Split, the remote is your key to controlling your climate wherever you are. Today, we'll help you understand the remote's buttons and functions so that you can get the most out of your Mini-Split. The on-off button allows you to activate and deactivate the system from up to 25 feet away. The mode button changes the Mini-Split between its 4 operating modes: cool, dry, fan only, and heat. The fan button changes the fan speed, going in the following order: auto, highest, high, low, and lowest. The room temperature arrows increase or decrease the unit's current temperature when in heating or cooling mode. The unit's set temperature can range between 61 and 86 degrees. The first swing button sets the unit's air directional levers to automatically rotate up and down, changing the direction of the airflow vertically, while the second swing button sets the unit's air directional levers to automatically rotate left and right, changing the direction of airflow horizontally. The sleep button automatically raises the temperature 2 degrees every 2 hours and also shuts the unit off after 8 hours. For more information, consult your user's manual. The super button sets the unit to start or stop the fast heating or cooling mode. Super cooling sets the temperature to 61 degrees and high fan speed, while the super cooling mode sets the temperature to 86 degrees and auto fan speed. When the smart button is used, the unit will change modes automatically to provide maximum comfort based on the room's temperature. When the temperature is over 79 degrees, the unit will switch to cooling mode and set the temperature to 79 degrees. When the room is between 73 and 79 degrees, the unit will switch to dry mode and decrease the room's temperature by 2 degrees and run for 3 minutes. When the room is between 70 and 73 degrees, the unit will switch to fan-only mode. When the room is 70 degrees Fahrenheit or below, the unit will switch to heating mode and automatically set the heat to 72 degrees. Make sure to use the unit's smart mode to get the most out of your Mini-Split. The iFeel button uses the remote's built-in sensor to adjust the unit's temperature based on the temperature of the remote's location. Make sure to keep the remote within a range of 16 feet so it can continue to communicate with the wall unit. The dimmer button turns the unit's display off or on, making it easier to reduce the unit's brightness at night. The timer on and off buttons are used to set the unit to automatically turn on or off at a specific time of day. Once you press the timer on button, use the arrow buttons to set what time you want the unit to turn on. Use the timer off button to set what time you want the unit to automatically turn off. The timer must be reset every day and has a 24-hour clock. The clock button is used to change the unit's displayed time. After pressing the button, use the arrow buttons to adjust the clock, then press the clock button again once set. The mute button will automatically set the unit to the lowest fan setting to reduce its noise level. The 8-degree heat button refers to 8 degrees Celsius, which is 46 degrees Fahrenheit. The button sets the unit to auto fan speed and heats the room just above freezing temperature, useful for keeping the temperature of a room just high enough to avoid freezing in the wintertime. For more info, consult your user's manual. And for all your HVAC needs, be sure to check back here at Denali Aire.